In this adventure, we take the bikes out for a cruise around the big loop at Flatwoods Conservation Park in Tampa. Check it out. Flatwoods Conservation Park is located in Hillsborough County and is part of the Lower Hillsborough Wilderness Preserve. It is open daily from 7 a.m. to sunset. There is a small entrance fee per vehicle, or you can use your annual pass. Near the trailheads, you'll find bike repair stations with tools, air pumps, and stands to clean and service your bike before or after your ride, which is perfect for regulars or long-distance cyclists alike. This trail is full of all of these shells. So cool. What'd you find there? This area is part of Florida's classic pine flatwoods ecosystem, dominated by longleaf pine, saw palmettos, and wiregrass. It's flat, open, and a great place to spot deer, gopher tortoises, and a variety of birds, especially in the early morning or late afternoon. The park is best known for its 7-mile paved loop, which serves as a multi-use trail for cyclists, runners, and walkers. We rode the full loop, plus the additional mile on each side of Morris Bridge connector, making it a full 8-mile round trip. Flatwoods also play a role in the region's water system. Several well houses can be seen along the trail, part of the Morris Bridge well field that helps supply drinking water to Tampa. Clay Gully. Ooh. Bruce B. Downs and Trout Creek. There are several water stations and shaded rest spots along the way, as well as remote picnic areas if you're planning a longer stay. I see. Oh, you can like go down there? We're coming on your left. Still looks the exact same as it did at mile 1. Nope. Nope. Turn around. See, there was no exit sign. I felt like it was. If you're looking for a gentle but rewarding ride, the Big Loop at Flatwoods is a must visit. And don't forget, it counts towards your hiking spree badge. In our next adventure, we take Pepper and Moko hiking at Outerman Ford Nature Preserve. See you in the next one.